Today I'm going to show you Tracelight handling a private equity deal kickoff workflow. So let's start with the materials that you would typically have at the beginning of a deal process. Here we've got a SIM, FTD databook, outputs from commercial due diligence, and a comp screen. I can review all of these directly in the Tracelight platform or open them in Excel or the Microsoft Office suite if I prefer. After taking an initial look through the materials, the first thing I want to do is build a first cut LBO model. So I'll ask Tracelight to do that using my firm's own skill, and I'll start in plan mode. It asks me a few questions. I can give the agent feedback, we complete the plan together, and then it goes ahead and builds the model. Of course, it gives me the LBO in Excel, in my firm's format, exactly the way I like to build these models. But it also creates an HTML dashboard based on that Excel file, which gives me a much more interactive view of the deal. I can use sliders, see how the deal behaves under different assumptions, and share that view with other members of my team. I can also customize what this HTML dashboard looks like. So again, it is built towards my preferences. Once I've reviewed the deal, I can go ahead and create an introductory IC deck. Again, everything is in my firm's format, just as you would expect. I build that deck directly within the platform, and every number and chart in it is fully linked back to the Excel model it came from. I can click anything and see the full lineage of the information. I can also download it into PowerPoint and work with the Tracelight add-in there if I want to. Next, I'll go into the business plan provided by management and run a review to check it for errors. Tracelight will flag a range of issues, and then I can take that report and ask the agent to prepare a Q&A, not just on the specific errors it found, but more broadly on everything it identifies in the management materials. I can iterate with the agent on that Q&A, chat back and forth, and review citations for everything it says until we agree on the final version. Once that's done, I can pull all of this work together into draft emails for the relevant stakeholders to let them know we're kicking off the project in full.